Well, many of you reached out to us asking if this uptick of new and active cases is because of the All-Star race at the Bristol Motor Speedway.
Caitlin Clark took those concerns to Sullivan County's regional medical director.
That's right, Josh and Sarah. Tonight marks exactly 2 weeks since that race at BMS. So I asked Dr. Stephen May, have they seen any positive cases related to it? Dr. Stephen May of the Sullivan County Health Department said no case clusters have been identified yet related to the All-Star race. He did not know if any individual cases were related.
It's still not out of the realm that we may see a cluster tied to it, but at this present time, we've not been able to identify one.
When it comes to school reopening, Sullivan County is in the red safety threshold where exclusively remote learning is considered. I asked Dr. May if he still thinks in-person school would be safe in this threshold.
I think so, as long as we can practice safe distancing, masking, and keeping things clean to prevent spread of the disease.
Dr. May confirmed about 12% of cases in the county are in children ages 1 to 19. But he said kids do not suffer the same level of disease as adults and may be asymptomatic. The virtual versus in-person discussions come down to school leaders. They'll meet weekly with the health department to discuss COVID-19 data. Dr. May said it's still unknown how much contained case clusters, like in nursing homes, will affect decision-making.
When we calculate a cluster, it includes both staff and the residents. That's standard methodology across the state.
On Monday, White House coronavirus advisor Dr. Deborah Birx suggested Tennessee could slow spread by closing bars statewide and limiting indoor dining. Dr. May said this is not currently being discussed for Sullivan County.
We have to discuss that with our mayor's leadership and working with the governor's office.
Universal mask wearing is his biggest recommendation right now. The county mask mandate lasts until August 12th, but he anticipates it will be extended.
And this is the way we show kindness and consideration for our fellow human being.
Dr. May told me that right now they are working on adding more staff to the health department. He also said that some commercial labs used by the department are taking up to 10 days or longer to return test results. Live in the Kingsport newsroom, Caitlin Cluck, News Channel 11.